Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y20s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once the device is off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up, there we go. Hold both of the keys at the same time till you see the VIVO logo, at which point you can let go, and you should then be in the Fastboot mode. So as you can see from here, you can do reboot into recovery mode, or simply just a reboot back to Android. And to navigate through this menu, you will actually need to use volume keys. So volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm. So I just want to leave this mode, so I'm gonna select reboot, power to confirm it, and this will take me now back to Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.